Welcome to Expert Wireless Repair. Today, we're replacing the battery on an iPhone 11. As you can see, the battery health is significantly degraded, causing performance issues. Let's fix that and bring this phone back to life. First, we start by removing the two screws on the bottom of the frame. Now it's time to open up the iPhone 11. Using a precision blade, carefully insert it between the frame and the screen to break the adhesive seal. Work gently around the edges to avoid damaging the display cables. Start by removing the two bottom screws near the charging port, then unscrew the shield screws and remove the shield by hand. Use a plastic spudger to gently disconnect the battery connector, and finally, unplug the screen connectors carefully, slowly pulling the adhesive tabs straight out and at a low angle. Go steady to avoid snapping them. If the adhesive breaks, don't worry, it happens. Apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol around the edges of the battery and let it sit for a few seconds to loosen the adhesive. Then carefully use a plastic spudger to lift the battery. Be gentle to avoid damage and take your time. Once it's free, you're ready for the next step. Now we start by grabbing the old glue with your tweezers, pinching firmly and spinning it around. Keep spinning until all the glue is removed and you're done. Now we start by applying a thin strip of adhesive to the battery. Press it down firmly to ensure it sticks well and you're all set. Now we start by peeling off the adhesive cover on the battery. Carefully place the battery into the phone, making sure to align it properly. Connect the battery connector to the iPhone's motherboard, ensuring a secure fit. Start by removing the old water-resistant seal from around the frame. Then, apply the new seal around the frame, ensuring it's securely in place to maintain the phone's water resistance. Start by plugging in the screen connector, making sure it's securely connected to the motherboard. Once the connection is in place, position the brackets back into place around the screen. Finally, screw them in tightly to ensure everything is secure and properly fastened. Then start by removing the cover from the new seal around the frame. Then carefully align the screen and snap it into the frame. Press down gently to ensure it's securely seated all the way around. That's it. Now simply power the phone on and test all the functions to make sure everything is working properly. If everything's good, you're all set. Don't forget to